In this video, we review Discover Bank's checking account. Have you used Discover Bank's checking account before? What was your experience? Leave your Discover Bank checking account review in the comments section below. Discover Bank, a subsidiary of Discover Financial Services, offers an online checking account known as the Discover Cashback Debit Account. This account has garnered attention for its unique features and competitive offerings. Notably, Discover Bank has been recognized for its customer satisfaction, ranking highest in customer satisfaction with credit card companies for 2 consecutive years. One of the standout features of the Discover Cashback Debit Account is its cashback rewards. Account holders earn 1% cashback on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases each month, potentially yielding up to $360 annually. This benefit is particularly advantageous for individuals who frequently use their debit cards for everyday purchases. The account also offers fee-free banking, eliminating monthly maintenance fees and overdraft charges. Discover Bank provides fee-free overdraft protection, allowing account holders to overdraw their accounts up to $200 on debit card purchases without incurring a fee, provided certain conditions are met. Access to a vast network of ATMs is another benefit. Customers can use over 60,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide, ensuring convenient access to their funds. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Some users have reported slower processing times for direct deposits and transfers compared to traditional banks. For instance, direct deposits may take up to 2 days to appear in the account, and transfers from external banks can take several days to process. Additionally, while the account offers cashback rewards, the 1% rate applies only to debit card purchases, not to other types of transactions. This limitation may affect those who prefer using their debit cards for a broader range of purchases. In summary, the Discover Cashback Debit Account provides a compelling option for individuals seeking a fee-free checking account with cashback rewards and extensive ATM access. However, potential customers should be aware of the processing times for transactions and the specific conditions required to qualify for certain benefits.